Hi, I'm Zoe from Winchester Caravans and Motorhomes, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Alde central heating and hot water control panel for the 3030 system. In your caravan or motorhome you will find a panel that looks like this. This is your Alde central heating and hot water panel. To turn the system on, press the power button and you'll see that the screen comes on. On the main screen there are three major icons. Indoor, this is your heating temperature. Energy is where you choose whether you want to use mains or gas to power the heating and hot water. And hot water is where you choose your boiler settings. To go into any of these settings, just tap the icon on the screen. To set the heating temperature, press the heating icon and simply use the plus and minus to set the desired temperature for the room. The temperature in the middle, which is in bold, is what you have set the system to. The temperature above in grey is what the room is currently at, so you can see how the system is getting on. To come out of here, either press the arrow at the top or the menu button at the bottom. Then you would want to choose what power source you're using for your heating. So press the energy button, and at the top here you can either choose electricity or underneath you can choose gas. To use the system on electricity you have the option of no kilowatts, which is off, 1, 2 or 3, and to use this just tap the desired option and it will select it for you and show you on the right what you have chosen. To use gas, press this little icon here. It will go green to show you have selected gas. When you don't have mains on site, it is important to use the system on gas. If you have mains on site, you can use either the mains. Always check with your warden to see how much mains you can use, as some sites have a limit. If you want to boost the system but you cannot increase the amount of mains due to being on a smaller site, you can get things going quicker by turning the gas on at the same time. To turn off the power sources, simply make sure the gas is not green and the electricity is on 0. To go back to the main screen, either press the arrow at the top or the menu button. To use your boiler, press the hot water button. Here you have the option of off, on, boost or auto. When the boiler is on, it is around 45 degrees. If you want to boost the system, then you can do so by clicking this button here, and effectively it will turn off the power that it's using for your heating, if you have the heating on, and put that power into the hot water for half an hour to get it going quickly. On the menu you will also find some other settings. Here you can set up timers for daytime and nighttime mode. If you want to see the extra pages, push the little button in the top corner. One that can be useful if you have people sleeping in the front area of your van is the display button. You can set this to dark and it will make it less bright if someone is sleeping in the front. To turn the system off, make sure you have everything turned off on the screen first, so your electricity and your gas is off. Your boiler is off. If you do not want to use the heating system, but you do want to use the boiler, you effectively just need to set your heating to as low as possible, 5 degrees. Because the room temperature up here, If it's higher than 5 degrees, the heating won't kick in. Once you have everything turned off, just push and hold the power button to turn off the whole screen. That was a demonstration video of the Alde central heating and hot water control panel. We hope you find this helpful, and if you have any questions, do not hesitate to speak to a member of the team.